Hi guys, welcome back to Planner Cookie Mama. Today I'm going to be planning in the first week of June in my vertical lined happy planner, and I am going to be using some of this Oopsie Daisy kit from OneCraftyCountryGirl. Now this is actually an oopsie. There are little bits that aren't quite cut right, but that's fine. I'll be able to work around that. I have my little knife here that'll help me with anything there, but to be honest with you, there might not be that many issues because Amber's a bit anal when it comes to her kits, so if it's only a tiny little bit, she will put it in an oops sale. So I have actually started this off a little bit already. So where is my, right, so because this is actually an Erin Condren kit, and obviously I'm using a happy planner, these washes are a little bit wide, so I have already gone ahead and, as you can see, I've cut them to size. So I'm going to start off by putting the washi along the top here and then putting the date covers down. So I'll speed up some parts, I'll talk through other parts as always. So let's just take out the pages first. Whoops, excuse me, sorry, just battering the camera there. And I'm just going to go ahead now and get started. I've actually cut it a little bit wide. That was on purpose so that it was easier for me to correct any mistakes, and it's also a little bit long. So I'm going to go ahead now and just sort that out. So now that my now that my washi and my date covers are down, I'm going to go ahead and use these to-do headers, and I'm going to put them along the top here. I have definitely found planner peace. I think I remember when these vertical lines first came out, I thought, well, what is the point in that? I don't understand why anybody would use one of those, and I actually got one by accident, and when I started going through it, I was like, do you know what, this is actually sort of perfect. This is exactly what I've been missing this entire time that I've been trying to find the perfect planner, and for me this is it. I've been using this one, I've been using a vertical line now since January, and well, it's June. In 2 days it's June, and I have never looked back. I've never used another planner. I was using my mini when schools were on, but obviously because we're off at the moment due to coronavirus, I've not been using that. I've been doing like my plans and stuff in here instead, and it's working for me, and I'm really happy that I now have just a planner that's exactly perfect for me. So here's hoping that Happy Planner continue to do these ones, because knowing my luck, they'll decide that they don't want to do them anymore and they'll stop doing them, and then my planner piece will all fall out the window. So yeah, so what I'm doing now is I'm just popping down my to-do boxes, my full check boxes here. I like to have all my to-dos at the top, just so that I know, whoa, that's very squint, because my eyes automatically go to the top, so that's where I like my to-dos to be. So now what I would usually do is put glitter headers along here, because I don't actually use the Today's and Little Things as much anymore, but I do actually have these blank headers here, but there's 6 of them. So what I'll need to do is, I have bits left from other kits. Let me see if I have any of those. Yes, I do. Whoops. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use glitter headers first, and then I'll use these when I do my next separation. So I'm going to use these Hufflepuff ones that Amber had on sale a while back. I don't actually know if she still has these on the website. I don't think she does. I think she took these off when she took off her Harry Potter kits. So next up then, what I'm going to do is pop down my, I'm going to put my full deco boxes down the bottom, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do from there on. Next up, what I'm going to do then is I'm going to take these blank headers and pop them just along the top of these deco boxes. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop these down just in the middle. Alright, so that's the bulk of the main done. So what I actually want to do now is just grab my white out, if I can find it. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to white out these parts, because these tend to show through stickers just because they're so dark. Doesn't need to be tidy because you won't see it. And then I'm going to use this last deco box. It says daisies will brighten your day over the top here. Okay. And then I'm going to use another one of these blank headers just under there. And the first tracker, it's not straight. There we go. Right. And then the next tracker. So I always use 3 trackers in my planner, and OneCraftyCountryGirl gives you 3, so it's perfect. I'm going to use this weekend banner. I'm just going to pop it down over here. Perfect. Back onto the side then, I'm going to pop down another blank header just to separate out my my trackers, and then I'm going to pop down the hydrate tracker, and then another blank header, and then my weekly tracker down the bottom then, just by here. Now what I might actually do is just grab one of these little half boxes down another divider first. Pop that in there. And then just use one of these half boxes for anything that absolutely must get done this week, but doesn't matter what day it's on. So that is that. Let's just move these out of the way just now. Use the little payday sticker for Monday. And then I need to go shopping on Friday. No, I don't. Not on Friday. I'll probably go on Saturday actually. Yeah, we'll go shopping on Saturday. Let me just get out my... I do actually get paid 3 different times this week. It's a weird week. So I've got down my Monday, and then I get paid again on Friday, and again on Saturday. It's a weird day to get paid, but that's, I get paid on the 6th, so that'll be the day I get paid. I need my college stickers that I'm looking for. There we are. So I definitely have college on Thursday, but I think that'll be my last day. I'll put it down for Friday just in case, but I think Thursday will be my last day. And then bins go out this week on Tuesday and Wednesday. Of the yoga stickers from OneCraftyCountryGirl that I use for meditate. Stick that there. And then going to stick this Dad's Day sticker there because he will have Amelia that day. He always takes her on a Friday for me just now. I think that's all I need for the moment. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to quickly write down my plans off camera and then I'll be right back. Alright, so that is me finished. I've gone ahead and filled in my weekly trackers, my daily tracker for each week, and then all my my chores for the week as well. Paydays, shopping when the bins go out, and I've got an important assessment that I need to do on Thursday. If I get that done and out the way, then I shouldn't have to come into college on, well, I shouldn't have to log in to college on Friday, but I'll see. So as always guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. I will also leave a link in the description below to OneCraftyCountryGirl as well as my discount code, and you can also follow us over on Instagram. And until next time guys, happy planning. Bye!